Guys, welcome to the Senior Citizen Workshop. We're going to be doing riveting, so I'm going to bend this over. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, just to see some of the other different things I'll be doing, techniques, and if anything, to entertain you. So subscribe and give this channel a like. Helps the algorithm to push out the video even more to more people. Alright, so we're going to do these rivetings here. So the first thing I want to be able to do, I'll use my punch. This is generally used for lather, but I use it for these other materials too. I'm going to punch my hole. Punch on it. There's my hole. So now I'm going to get my rivet. Pop it in on the other side. Okay, because this is the side I want it to face out. Okay. The other side is going to be the ugly side. You want that to always be faced in. Okay, so this is a little bitty rivet stamper. You'll see these in some arts and crafts stores. They'll come in a packet that's pretty much this small. This will be inside with the rivets, as well as this. So anyway, this goes on the top of it. And you place your impact metal piece here. And then you're just going to hammer it. Generally one good time. And there it is. You guys can see that. On the other side, looks good. So I've already determined I'm going to put 5 here. So now I'm going to do the middle. And let's see. I guess to make my middle. Okay, my middle is going to be about right here. Okay. Ooh, well, I really jammed that down hard. Probably just should have did one time. That would have done it. Okay, getting rid of it. All right. One whack. Okay, yeah, that did it. One whack did it. Put on in. Looks like the middle to me. Right. The beauty of arts and craft, if you have an imagination and you go into an arts and craft store and you just see all these knickknacks, if you have the talent for it, the imagination, all of the things you see in an arts and crafts store is amazing, because you just see how you can put one thing with another thing. If you get this board, you can glue this to that, and you can put this item with that item and be like, oh, that look great. But you have to have a mind like that. If you don't have a mind that thinks like that, when you go into an arts and craft store, it just looks like a lot of junk laying around, So what's junk to you is an artist's treasure. They see opportunities. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do for the rest of these stuff like this, I'm going to just put some glue in there and hold it down. And that's going to be that. It's going to be my, I'm going to use my glue gun. Yeah, I think the glue gun. The glue sticks underneath these folds. Right now they just kind of stick up. Some persons who do a sewing machine, they would just sew that together But I actually find that the glue gun does an excellent job as well. Oops. Only downside to these glue guns is when you're trying to introduce a new stick into the slot, the insertion, can't get it to act right. I have to actually kind of waste some just to get it to keep going. Next slot, put a line in there, a bit more, not too much. Alrighty, last one here. Let's do a line. Okay, that should do it. There. Okay, so alright, so got it kind of nice and flush. So now when I go to roll it up, curl it up, everything stays nice in there. Beautiful on the other side. Probably see the little sparkle deals on that. And that's really not supposed to be. There's a long story behind that. I'm not going to talk about it now. But I will, in a few videos from now, kind of discuss some blunders. Okay guys, so that's putting in the rivets on fabric. And you know, you can just use your imagination, whatever you're making, you know, you fold this side and do the same thing to that, and then, you know, you put it up against something else, you know. But yeah, that's according to your imagination, whatever you're thinking in terms of a product that you might make. But there we go. Alright, so join me for the next episode of Senior Citizen Workshop. Like I say, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, give me some likes, and I hope to show you some process that I'm doing. Maybe give you some ideas on how you would put products together yourself, and maybe I may be able to add an entertaining value to you as well. You know, like maybe I'm working, I cut my hand live on the video. You know, amputate a finger, you know, and then I have to stop the camera. Well, I hope that don't happen. Okay, all right guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.